Moon's still out. It's 5. They got parked there. There's a lot of parking spots back there. That's a Kia dealership. Penske trucks. Joe's Diner. You gotta get me a picture of that. That's what they call it, Joe's Diner. And that's the store, truck stop. Quarles, that's some kind of trucking company. That's a gas station, private. That's Loudmouth. Loudmouth right there. That's what I like to call the Loudmouth. Anyway, Super 8 Motel, Joe's Diner. I know there's a Cracker Barrel over there. There's your fuel stop. All the fuel lanes. This is called Harrisonburg Truck Stop, and it's concrete, not asphalt. That's asphalt there. Truck stop part's concrete, and this thing will last forever. Whoever poured this was intending to keep this a truck lot forever. I don't know what that is over there. What is that? VR? Maybe VA? I don't know. Baylor! Anyway. You can see the little community in the background on the hill. All the little homes. Right above the truck stop, there's a housing community. And the truck stop's pretty deep. I want to say each roll's 50, so there's probably 200, 250 parking spots. That looks like a lumber yard. And this way lumber yards do, they have canopies to keep their lumber under. And yeah, Joe's Diner. I gotta get a picture of that. I know I look awful with my hair today. I bet my hair looks awful. But got 3 dumpsters, barricades if they want to block it off. Bobtail parking here. Some kind of rental place there. And you can see got 4 rows. Backside, then there's another row there, then there's that row, then there's that row. Look how wide it is. This place is wide. You can fit 2 trucks going that way almost. 1.5 anyway. Lots of room, concrete, well designed. When they built this, they was planning forever. 3 dumpsters, 8 fuel lanes. Diesel at $3.29. If that don't bring people here, what will? And a full moon. Anyway, this is it from Joe's Diner at the Harrisonburg truck stop. Have a good day. Love you, mean it.